Today, I'm going to change my old backflow preventer because, as you can see, the last time we had a freeze here, the water expanded and busted the metal. Now it's leaking pretty badly. I called a plumber out here to fix it, but his quote was absolutely insane. So I got to do it myself. I can't patch it up, so I'm going to change it entirely. Only, I'm going to add a little wrinkle to make it easier to change if it gets busted again. I'll show you how easy it was. First things first, we need to turn off the main water supply. To do this, you need to find the water meter box. Open it up, inspect it pretty closely, and use a stick or something to agitate the ground around the pipes, just to make sure there are no animals inside. To turn off the water, you need to turn this key here. To do that, you can use a meter key like this. But if you don't have a meter key, you can also use a wrench and a screwdriver. Put the screwdriver through the hole on the top of the wrench, and use it to turn the water off, just like this. Once the water is off, turn on a faucet to drain any remaining water from the system. With the system drained, it's time to cut off the old preventer. I'm using a PVC pipe cutter. They're pretty easy to use and it gets the job done pretty quickly to remove it. Make sure you leave enough pipe on both sides for the new installation. This is the new backflow preventer and all the things I need to make the change. All of this is listed in the description. I'm also upgrading the installation with these 1-inch PVC socket unions, which will make future repairs much easier. Now it's time to get this thing assembled, prep the pipes, and finally cement it all together. Again, remember all these materials are listed in the description. After laying all the materials out, I use the old backflow to eyeball how much pipe I need. Then I use my trusty PVC pipe cutter again. Since it was my first time doing this, I tried to get a dry fit test to make sure it all looked the same. After the dry fit, now it's time to apply primer to clean and soften the PVC. After applying the primer, I applied the heavy-duty PVC cement to create a strong, watertight seal once it all dries. Now for the smart wrinkle part, I am going to attach the two 1-inch PVC socket unions. This will help make the next repair much quicker and easier and have a lot less cutting. I also have to do the same with these two pipes in the ground. Depending on which way your valves are facing, you may have to rotate the pipes using a wrench or pliers. I had to rotate mine, but most people shouldn't have to. Either way, it's pretty easy to do. Once all the pipes are glued together, I attach the new backflow preventer using the two 1-inch PVC socket unions. This way, if I ever need to replace it again, I won't have to cut the pipes. Just unscrew and swap it out. Finally, I turn the water back on and check for leaks. Everything looks good, and the new preventer is working perfectly. And that's it. A simple and smart way to replace a backflow preventer and make future repairs easier. If you found this helpful, like or subscribe. See you in the next one.